I bought a truck a couple of years ago that I have plans for. I just never really got around to it. I just really never had time between work and family. So what I picked up was an 83 C10. I was looking for an 85 because that was the year I was born, but I actually did pick up an 85. It was a C20. It needed a lot more work than it was really worth doing. So I ended up finding the 83 C10 on Marketplace. I paid a lot for it. I mean, considering the prices that people are asking for them now, I mean, I feel like I got a pretty decent deal on it. But there's a lot of things I want to do to it to make it mine. I want to upgrade the motor. I want to go. It's got a 350 in it now, which it's cool. But I want to do an LS swap. More power. Don't need it. Just want it. I don't need to go fast. I want to do airbags, which airbags would be also pretty cool. Sits low already, but it'd be cool. Let me put my phone down and we'll pull the truck in. We'll check it out. As the 350 does sound healthy in this thing, it lacks the power. I would like to upgrade to like a 6.0, maybe twin turbo, just because it sounds fucking cool. Don't need it, but I want it. Alright, let's take a walk around this thing. Like I said, 350's cool, looks nice. 6.0 would be even cooler, just the sounds and just the power. This is spray paint on here. I spray bombed it. I got the truck in all different colors. When I do airbags, I do not want to cut the bed. But I will notch the frame. But I'm not going to notch it to where I got to cut into the bed. Like I said, the truck needs a few things. But other than that, I mean, pretty solid truck. This is my garage. This is my truck. Help a small channel out. Like, comment, subscribe.